Hello everyone. Let's show people how to do a bar chart directly from the Copilot. So I'm going to add a widget. I'm interested in the earnings surprises for NVDA who reported yesterday. So let's look for NVDA. We have the earnings announcement from yesterday. So the data comes from Financial Modeling Prep. There you go. Let's add this to context. Now I want to do the following. So first, let's make sure that the Copilot knows how to properly compute earnings surprise. So the easiest way to do it is simply ask the internet what the formula is. So I'm going to do at web, how do people compute earnings surprise? And what's the formula? So let's use Perplexity to figure out what the formula is. So there you go. It's actual EPS minus consensus EPS over consensus EPS times 100. So we have that data. So now that we know the formula, so I'm going to say, let's use this formula, compute EPS surprise from the widget for the last 3 years. And then I want to make a bar chart of these surprises with date on the x-axis and this computed number on the y-axis. Here we go, something's happening. You can look at the citations to see what's cooking. So it computed the numbers here. So we can just actually export even these individual pieces if you would like to. All right, there you go. Looks like a nice looking chart. Let's export this. So this is, let's just call this NVDA earnings surprise percentage or earnings surprise percentage over time. The description makes sense. Create. There you go. So the last surprise was from yesterday. It was 8%. Everything is nicely formatted. And I can just with one toggle go back to data view. If you like this, you can simply go back here and say thumbs up. You did a great job.